I'm Nancy Woolbright. I'm a kitchen and bath designer, and I fell in love with kitchen and bath design because each person has their unique taste. I just really enjoy getting to know people and making their space feel like a home. I absolutely love being creative. I love putting colors together. I loved moving my furniture around as a kid and always arranging my apartments, and I love helping other people make their spaces beautiful as well. So I just found a passion and went with it. A lot of people are working out of their home now. A lot of people are doing school out of their home, and it's become more of just a home. So I like to make their spaces feel more personal and more like an escape. Every day is different, every client is different, every job is different, which makes it a lot more challenging. It makes it interesting. It makes the job very special to me. I'm here to help clients love their space, figure out their vision, bring it to reality, and love where they live.